Hello guys, welcome back to one more series or whatever it may be. Welcome to stock selection for tomorrow. That will be 25th of August. Okay, I have few trades, around 6 trades for tomorrow's intraday. Then some are yet to form that setup. So whichever setups which I have found right now, I'll show it to you. First thing first, we have Torrent Pharma. Torrent Pharma, I think I had drawn a line. Okay, right now it's coming. Torrent Pharma, as you can see in hourly chart, it has been consolidating. It's in a range here between these 2 points, around 3004 to 3100, 3004 and 3100. That's a good range for us to work with. Since 1% will be 30 rupees or 31 rupees. So in 15-minute time frame when you go, sorry for the delay, some internet issue, you can see a triangular pattern forming. It's not exactly triangular, but it's taking support and resistance from these points. Right now, tomorrow you can expect one breakout, but problem is this will be a target. As soon as it breaks out, it could just give a sudden gap up and hit the target, or it could just go back inside this channel, break out in the lower side. I wouldn't let's see what happens tomorrow. Until then, we can wait. I think tomorrow if there is no movement, then it will just go inside this channel sideways and go flat. So that could happen, but a higher side, this is a target because it has taken support a lot of times. But in case if the candle goes like a huge candle like this, gaps down, then goes big green candle, then wait for a reversal here. But in case if it doesn't find any reversal, then if it goes flat here, then ignore, because this area is very choppy, so should be careful in this one. But this will be one good 1.1% target. So since past 2 days it's having good volatility, so if you can catch it, then you can catch a profit as well. Then we have Lupin. These are pharma stocks, so check the indices for whether the indices sector is looking good or bad, then take a trade. Lupin, this rate gap down, so I didn't take a trade because I couldn't place proper stop loss. Then right now somewhat having a resistance level over here. If it case it breaks tomorrow, then you can go long. You'll get a good target as well, because right now it's going up a little bit. My view of the market will still be bearish, because once if it comes up, it doesn't mean anything, it'll keep going up. It's already at all-time high, so how much more can they push? Even Harshad Mehta also couldn't keep the market up, so at least at one point it will fall. It needs a good correction, or else it's not healthy. And this one, as you can see, you can even see a cup pattern forming. So tomorrow, even if it goes down, just wait. If it forms the handle of the cup, then you can take a buy call after the breakout all the time. So this is one of the setup we have to wait for. Then in steel sector, metal sector, you have Tata Steel. Do not trade in this range between 1422 to 1404, because this is the profit booking range of institutions. If the price comes in this range, then it will trade in between that only. Why? Because the institutions are booking profits right now, and they have a target which they will always try to respect it. As you can see this volume profile as well, there is a lot of volume traded in this level 404, around that range. So that's where the profit booking happens. Even if it goes up or down, this is where it's going to book profits. Once this profit booking is done, then we'll go up once more, it'll peak out. That's where all the greedy people think it's going up and buy, or maybe this already happened here. So let's see what happens. So for this, my view is, in 1 hour chart, if you see, this is one inverse and it is looking like a head and shoulder pattern as well. This one is the left shoulder, the head, the right shoulder forming right now. So tomorrow, in case it goes up, this could be, you can take a reversal here or take a breakout from this range to this point, which is very small, which I wouldn't recommend. But in case it breaks down, you can take this target, maybe here around 2%, around 1.9% target as you can. And on the higher side also you can take 1.6% target. So you have targets on both the sides, so trade accordingly, but don't trade until it's in this range. Even if it breaks out like this and comes back in, leave the trade, don't trade, because it will go in that same range again. So trade according to that. It could form this, I'm not telling it will form. This is one of my views in hourly chart, so just have to look through how it goes. Then let's see what happens. Then we have, there are still many metal sector stocks, but I chose only few. As you can see, sale as well, it's forming a triangular pattern. On a higher side you can expect this target here after a breakout around 1.7% minimum. On a lower side as well you can take 2% target. It's very volatile right now, so you can expect a big target as well, 1 to 2%. But your stop loss also will change accordingly, and it will be a little bit bigger stop loss. So ratio wise it will be the same, 1:2, 1:3. That's the maximum you are going to get. Then we have Motherson Sumi. Okay, even this is the same thing as Lupin. It's forming a cup right now, already down here. So you can expect a handle and breakout or direct breakout tomorrow. First target will be, first of all, there's a gap down range here. Usually a gap, it's very difficult. It acts as a support and resistance according to one of the classes which I attended. This range here, when it's a runaway gap, this place acts like a support and resistance. So on a higher side it will be difficult to break. So once if you find any rejections here itself or here, it might go up till this place and find rejection. So you can go short in this area, or during if it's a good breakout you can expect this target as well, minimum 1.2% till that range breaks on a higher side and take a reversal. So wait for this setup as well. Right now it's just a cup. Tomorrow it might form the handle and then break out at around 2-3 p.m. Depends. This is one of the setup for sale. Dip all the time in the morning, same thing. You have to check the sector wise the situation of the sector, whether it's positive or negative, and trade accordingly. Sumi, I think it's in, I'm not sure, maybe you can Google it. Then last one for today will be Torrent Pharma. Okay, Torrent Pharma, same thing, but this one, it's a inverse head and shoulders. You can expect this one as a left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and it has given a breakout. The breakout is already given, and the price is right now here, so you can expect a good run of 3% also. In case it gaps up and runs away, you can expect that, or you can expect this range over here. This is where usually it was booking people were booking profit. A lot of volume has been traded in this range, so if not 3%, you can expect around 1.6%. But tomorrow, in case if this doesn't give a breakout, you can go short as well. I don't think you can go get 4%, but at least 2% you will get. It's a good stop, around 400 rupees range. 1 to 2% you are getting tomorrow, most of the trades. And remember, trade according to the breakout and not according to your emotions. That's all for today. And I think one more share this. It is banking sector, Bandhan Bank. Nothing much. As you can see, it has been falling for a long time. Not long time, maybe yeah, it's been falling from July, last month. From last month it has been continuously falling. Right now it's consolidating, purely flat, maybe 1% movement today. I just marked previous days high and low, that's all, and breakout will be either in upside or downside. As you can see previously also, if you see here, the sad movement, even here it didn't move much, but once that level was broken on that day, it just kept falling. So once it's going sideways, usually, as you can see here, the volume was very high, and as you can see, the red candles were much larger than the green candles as well, so they were huge selling over here. If I make maybe on our chart, let's see where the volume is more, at what level, and already it's around 200 rupees. Okay, this one I don't think you can expect. Okay, volume will be higher here itself. You can't do anything. It's getting the data. Okay, volume is higher because this was only just few days. Maybe if I go to 15-minute time frame, see, there was a huge volume in this level. That's where most of the trades were happening. So I think there could be a good move, and there are many stocks which I kept in my watch list, but the setups have not yet been formed. It might form tomorrow, so those things has not yet been formed, so I didn't give any explanation on those things on live. So if you want, you can trade on these stocks tomorrow, or trade on your own. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and then okay, that's all.